Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
Peacock and Crow. Long ago, when the world was new, all birds had white feathers. One day, Peacock got tired of his plain white feathers. "Will you paint my feathers?" Peacock asked his friend Crow. "Gladly," said Crow, "and then you can paint mine." Crow painted and painted. He began to get hungry, but Peacock wanted more colors. Crow kept painting. His stomach was grumbling, but now Peacock wanted spots. Last, Peacock was happy. He strutted to show off his fancy feathers. "Now I'll paint you," he told Crow. "Hold still." Crow grabbed a pot of black paint and said, "Just use this, and please hurry, I'm so hungry." Peacock quickly splashed black paint all over Crow, and Crow flew off to find his dinner. To this day, all crows have black feathers, and all peacocks have colorful feathers. Peacock still likes to show off, and Crow is always looking for another meal.
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.